It's another brown box production, guys. And this lovely shipment is from Born Pretty. Wait till you see the design too. But first, let's take a look-see at this beautiful packaging. And you know I love black. These bottles are so chic. I think I'm dating myself here. And here's a quick peek of me setting up. Let's start with the swatches of these 6 colors that came in this Spring Summer Macaron Colors Gel Polish set. Did I say how much I love the look of the bottles? They have the adorable view window for you to see exactly what's inside. They're 10 milliliters, so they're a little larger than minis. Now, when the bottles are smaller, I tend not to like the short hair brushes, but the length and density in these brushes are perfect, and they're easy to polish with. They held a good load of polish, and I loved how easily they spread out, creating a nice even layer without much streaking, especially when doing thin layers of the first coat. Oh, this color in particular looks a little different than in the bottle, but I blame that on me being really close up to the camera and lighting. The colors are rich and smooth. Look how fluently they polish on. And I should also mention they are soak off. If you've been watching my channel, you know that in one of my last videos, I coined the arrival of my PR packages as brown box videos or productions. Let me say something here. There was cotton lint, and since it's gel polish and hasn't been cured yet, just take something solid, not a Q-tip, paper towel, or anything like that to remove it, and just polish back over it. So as you finish enjoying the swatches, I have such an easy nail art design for beginners, or anyone for that matter, and using the different colors was ideal for it. I went ahead and prepped to keep the video from being too long, and I'll start from a nude layer I laid as a foundation color. This nude is my perfect color. I took up from Femi's collection and I mixed cookie, brownie, and sugar, and it turned out perfect. This design can also be done on nail stands by creating press-ons, which is what I did for my right hand. And this way too, that I did for you to see from the perspective of doing it on yourself. Use any thin art brush and polish on a random wave. It especially doesn't have to be and shouldn't be perfect. Then I used my brush from the polish bottle to fill in the rest. I cured each layer of color for 60 seconds, which I polished 2 layers of color on each nail. Any cleanup should be done before curing. From here, I think I only show doing 1 layer of color, but still remember it's 2 coats of color. I do want to point your attention to how I start with none or very little polish on my brush. And then I use mostly what was painted from the wave to keep the color smooth as it spreads. I bring the polish brush right up to the edge of the wave to pull the color down. So what this does is it takes away the lump that can form when you polished on the wave. You'll see this best when I do my thumb. Don't they already look pretty? From there, I used a silver gel and lined the top of each color. You know, I've never worn different color nails before, but this design is so subtle and soft. I think it looks cute. By the way, I did this in matte on my right hand and glossy on my left. I can't wait to come up with other designs. Thank you to Born Pretty for sending me this lovely gel polish set. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to subscribe to my channel because there's going to be many more reviews, polygel designs, acrylic nails, the return of BOUJEE nails on a budget. I still have more Want to Be a Nail Techs. There's going to be a whole new summer series on top of all that, and so much more nail fun and hacks and tips.